everyone, I'm coming back to you with a quick fall tour of my dining room. And as you know, last time we left off right here, and I decided to add, of course, this pumpkin, and I have me some candy corns. Yes, I love candy corn. These have been my favorite. And I noticed that you could see at the bottom someone been in my candy corn. So anyway, so we left off right here. Nothing changed but that pumpkin jar. And as we turned, you can see my dining room, my formal dining room. Yes, I decorated a table. Please excuse that. I forgot to plug it back up. But yes, so this is my setting for my table. And I do have a flower centerpiece. Yearly, I create centerpieces for my table. And I do reuse my glass vase and my also little triangular thing that I made. Yes, I created those. And I decided to, like I said, set the table. I didn't put the silverwares, but I did put the plates, salad plate, dessert plate, and dinner plate. I also put a drinkware, like for water or juice. And I do have my salad bowl right here in the middle. I received that last year, actually, for Christmas from a sister from the church. She is awesome, and I like it. Okay, now back to the plates. I bought these two from Pair One when it was available. This I got from Hobby Lobby. I got this from the dollar store. And I bought several of them, and I like them. That I went back and got another set, but it was a different kind, but I like these better. It has the pumpkin, the white pumpkin, and the orange looking pumpkin, and it matched perfectly to my tableware. And I do have two turkeys. I've gotten these from the dollar store years ago. And I believe they're kind of like a napkin holder or whatever, but I use them how I feel. Some white pumpkin from the dollar store years ago. More pumpkin dollar store item, $1.25, whatever store. And this year I decided to put a, excuse that pillow. I decided to put two pillows. I'm not sure I will move this pillow from over there, but I have two pillows, one at each end, and I decided to use purple because it kind of blends in with some of my items. Anyway, and I love purple. And this picture, I used to have it in my living room in the fall, autumn time, but this year I decided to try to put it over here, and I do like it over here. It matches over here. It goes perfectly, and like my living room is just so calm and nice without all this fall stuff, but it does have fall items. And I decided to go ahead and put flowers in a vase in the corner, both corners. And I'm not sure if you look back on my TikTok, I spray painted these two columns years ago, and they've been here ever since. Here's my buffet. Yeah, I also have, I don't know why this falling. I decided to put some pine cones here. I put my gather sign here. This, I don't know what it's doing here. But I do have these leaves, and it lights up. Let's go again. It lights up at night. And I leave it on, and I love it. And I have that blessed sign there. along with 2 lanterns. Yep, my 2 white lanterns. And that I spray painted, I believe. Yeah, I spray painted again. I have a vase sitting right here with some candlesticks. My mirror, I had this up here for years, and this is how I like it. So I'm here. Good morning. It's morning time for me. So this is, and I have a pumpkin. I had this for years. Yep, I got this from Gordman's. No longer here. And then that's just my cabinet with my dishes and stuff. And back over. So this is my dining room. So let's go over to my breakfast area, where I'm gonna show you that I also decorated. This is the breakfast area. This is right off the kitchen. And I just did something simple. Little vase with the little flowers, 2 scrolls. These are salt odors. Yep, I took the bottom out. But I have that, and I have the candle, and then I spit turn. I have a napkin wherever that. If you notice, you can see underneath I now have another pumpkin from Gordman's. Basically, a lot of these are from Gordman, but Gordman is no longer. And I do have fake candles, the flowers go under the table, and I have a little hidden area. I have a pumpkin and just some little fabric stuff that I have underneath. And practically that's it for my breakfast area. And I still have those pictures up. I like those pictures. And just little items. But yes, this is my breakfast area into my dining room. See? Into my foyer. Excuse the shoes. This is a foyer. Into my foyer. And into my living room. Sorry, couldn't think. To my living room. And it's very simple decoration. And I didn't show you my family room. That's just whatever. I just fixed that up with some little flowers or whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.